78, 79, 79. Now 80. Now 80,000. 79 bid, you're gonna give 80. I have 79 bid, you're gonna give 80 bid, you're gonna give 80, you're gonna give 80, you're gonna give 79 and 80. I have 79 bid, you're gonna give 80,000, you're gonna give 80. Anybody else? 79. $80,000.
Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks.
5, we got 24, Daniel 5, and 24, 5, and 24, everything at 5. Reserves off, higher negative 24, 25, and 24, 5. 24 is the bid. $25,000. Anybody else at 25? And 24, everything at 5. Pound under bid, all in and a half. So $24,000 for
now offering the 84,006 GTC Sierra pickup. V8 automatic, power windows alive.
And here we get 30. And then we get 30, we get 20 pounds there. And we get 20.
You can even buy something as simple as a one owner, like new, 8,800 original miles Cutlass, Delta 88. Beautiful Nova SS. 1970 Chevy Nova 5.7 liter. It's got a cage in it, it's got backseat delete, it's got tubs in it. I'm imagining there's a fuel cell underneath the back. This is very much a pro street car. Look at how deep those tubs are right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're gonna go in and see if we can get us that C3. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Alright guys, we're at Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025. So we've got GTOs, we got a set of Camaros, some Corvettes, Volkswagens, street rods, all kinds of stuff going. If you want to watch the channel, please check out all the videos we're putting up. We're putting up a bunch of videos. We've got bidding numbers, trying to get some cars here, and just trying to show what's available. So give me a call. All right guys, thanks for, oh my god, my brain's It's a really rare option for Dusters, if that's a true option that came with the car. 73 Dodge and Darts with factory sunroof. That factory sunroof is really, really rare. So guys, you know, you can buy Corvettes and you can buy a Lotus, and they have Mercedes, but they also have, look, they've got Ford pickup trucks, older Ford F-150s, they got square bodies, they got F-150 four-wheel drive trucks. So they've got a lot of different vehicles here, that you can just purchase. There's a lot of different vehicles here that are just able to be purchased and bought for a pretty decent price. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We're going to be in the next video. You'll see more of Mecum auctions. We went and tried to get as many cars as we could. So I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, check them all out, and have a great day. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.